now, part of our elephant adventure includes a walk through the jungle. And Bennett is handling the jungle very nicely. It's very beautiful here.
Jungle boy.
Jungle. Bennett, go along the bridge a little bit. This is pretty cool, eh? This is awesome. I don't know if there's any fish left in here. Is this the way we're supposed to go? Bennett, that's enough. Bennett. I think we have to go back this way. Yeah, we have to go back that way, Bennett. Pretty spectacular through here, the jungle. The water is nice. It's got a nice blue hue to it. Kind of a little bamboo bridge that we walk across. Totally awesome, man. Laos jungle. You can see Bennett in front. There's our guide, Tricia, and then there's Doug. He's part of our group as well. So awesome. All right, more adventure awaits.